very underutilized concept, offset load. We've kept it light because you're just going to feel the difference. So essentially this leads a hand to everything we've just been doing. So deadlift, squat, shoulder press, rows, the whole lot. But we're working with resistance on one side. Why would we do such a crazy thing like this? It's that trunk activation that you start to get when you load weight off to one side. You felt that with the landmine tool, so now we're doing it in different fashions, utilizing it from this way. This also, say if you're in a bench press, it requires you to create a pull to create the push, because you have to pull down on one side to keep it stable so it doesn't go like this. So you're getting this reciprocating action through a lot of these movements by having the weight on one side. We could still have weights on both sides, but we could do heavier on one and lighter on the other. So in this instance, it is still creating that similar thing here, or same action here, forcing us to stabilize much more through our trunk and our supporting muscles through whatever movement we're doing, but it's also bringing up strength deficiencies. So it doesn't always have to be linear and everything is the same on both sides. You can have this different. So it depends on the person and their goals, and also their issues. So let's just say here for shoulder press. All right, if I come around, you'll see, and even just now, you can hear the change in my voice. This is only 2.5 kilos. You can see that I'm really concentrating to try and keep this up level and balanced. I've got an element of pull on this side. So from here, again, we keep that hip tilt. You can most likely see that there is a little bit of unstableness and unevenness in it. That's the challenge behind it. We can also work this from a different point of view of, we can offset load that by having the bar going front to back off the side here with just one arm and pressing up. So you can also move in that sort of direction for your offset loads. So it's not necessarily, again, from our regular press position, we can go with our arm off to the side, bar going out to the front and the back. So let's try shoulder press.